Hi Paulholics, welcome back to my channel, and today is my vaccination day. So samahan nyo akong magpabakuna ngayong araw. Finally.
A few moments later.
Ito na ako sa booth kung saan pwede mag-picture. Yan. Finally, natapos ko din yung vaccine. Yan. Balik na ako dun sa ER. Resume na ng trabaho. Nag-vaccine lang saglit. Normal naman yung BP after. Hindi naman na kami minonitor ng matagal. So, trabaho muna ako ulit. See you guys later. On with the picture taking after the vaccination. Ngayon, babalik na ako ng ER to resume my work. Thank you for watching. So, ayun, Paulholics, magpa 5 PM na, magpa 5 in the afternoon na. So far, so good. Wala naman akong nararamdamang kakaiba dahil dun sa vaccine. Okay lang naman yung vaccination site. Maayos naman, naging trabaho. Wala naman akong naramdaman na sinasabi nila na mapapagod ka or masakit yung vaccination site. Wala namang ganun so far. And bukas may lakad pa ako. Feeling ko kaya ko naman. Kaya yun, successful naman yung aking first dose ng Sinovac vaccine para sa COVID-19. Thank you for watching this vlog, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for you to be updated for my new videos like this one. Thank you and God bless all.